Welcome back to MotorHome Masters, your home for everything motorhomes, travel freedom, and road-ready living. If you love the open road as much as we do, hit that subscribe button and let's explore together. Imagine this for a moment. You're driving through a quiet mountain road, the sky glowing gold, your motorhome humming softly, every mile taking you deeper into freedom. Everything feels perfect until one mistake, one sudden moment on the road can change everything. A small accident, a broken window, an unexpected breakdown in the middle of nowhere. Or worse, your entire motorhome gone. And that's the moment you realize motorhome insurance isn't just paperwork. It's protection for your entire lifestyle. But what exactly do you need? What coverage is essential? What is just a waste of money? And how do you make sure you're truly protected when you're living life on wheels? Today, we're breaking it all down in the simplest way possible. This is Motorhome Insurance Explained. What you really need. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what matters, what to avoid, and how to save money while staying fully covered. So let's get into it. Your motorhome is more than a vehicle. It's your bedroom, your kitchen, your storage space, your adventure partner, and often the most expensive thing you own after your house. That's why motorhome insurance is different. It doesn't just protect your driving, it protects your living. A good insurance plan should cover you, your passengers, your motorhome, your belongings, your travels across borders, and your financial safety during accidents. But which types do you actually need? Let's break them down, one by one. The first one is basic liability coverage. This is the bare minimum. It covers the damage you cause to other vehicles, buildings, or people. Simple rule: if you're driving a motorhome, you need liability. Without it, even a small accident can cost you thousands, sometimes more. Most countries legally require it, and for good reason. If your budget is tight, start here. But of course, basic coverage only protects others, not you. So let's go deeper. Next is collision coverage. Collision insurance protects your motorhome if you crash into another vehicle, a tree, a wall, or even a ditch. It also helps if someone hits you and runs. Motorhomes are expensive to repair, and body damage can cost more than people expect. Even a small dent can reach thousands. If your motorhome is newer, pricey, or something you truly care about, get collision. It's not cheap, but neither are repairs. Now let's talk about comprehensive coverage. The one most RV owners don't realize they need until it's too late. Comprehensive covers everything not caused by a collision: fire, theft, flood, storm damage, falling trees, animal collisions, vandalism, and even broken windshields. Imagine parking your motorhome near a forest and waking up to find a branch smashed through the roof. Or imagine stopping at a rest area and someone breaks in while you're away. Comprehensive protects you from all of that. If you travel often, park outdoors, or camp in nature, this is essential. Here's something most first-time motorhome owners don't know. Your regular car insurance does not cover the things inside your motorhome. And think about what's inside: laptops, cameras, phones, clothes, kitchen equipment, outdoor gear, tools, bedding, and sometimes thousands in personal items. Personal belongings coverage protects everything you carry inside. It's one of the most important things for full-time travelers. If your motorhome is not just transportation, but your home, this is a must. Now let's talk roadside assistance. Imagine your engine breaking down in the middle of a quiet desert, or your tire blowing out on a mountain road, or your battery dying at a freezing campsite. Roadside assistance saves you in moments like these. With motorhomes, towing costs are huge, sometimes hundreds of dollars just to get to a workshop. A good plan includes towing, battery jump, tire change, emergency fuel, locksmith services, and sometimes even mobile mechanics. If you travel long distances, roadside assistance is non-negotiable. If you live full-time in your motorhome, you need what's called full-timer coverage. It acts like a mix of car insurance, home insurance, and personal liability insurance. Because when your motorhome becomes your permanent home, normal coverage won't be enough. Full-timer insurance covers injuries that happen inside your motorhome, guests who get hurt while visiting, accidents around your campsite setup, and extended personal belongings protection. If your motorhome is your home, get this, it's custom built for your lifestyle. For anyone traveling across borders, international coverage is a lifesaver. It protects you when your adventures take you into Europe, Scandinavia, the UK, Turkey, Morocco, or any other countries your insurer supports. Different countries have different laws, different repair costs, and different liability risks. If you plan big adventures, always double-check. Does your insurer cover your destination? Do they cover roadside help in that country? Do they support repairs across borders? Never assume your insurance works everywhere. Ask before you travel, not after something goes wrong. Now let's talk about gap coverage. If your motorhome is stolen or totaled and your insurance pays less than your remaining loan, gap coverage pays the difference. If you financed your motorhome, absolutely get this. Now, what don't you really need? Insurance companies love to sell extra add-ons that sound important, but they're usually not. Be careful with duplicate medical coverage, rental car add-ons you'll never use, unnecessary gold or platinum upgrades with no real benefit, and overpriced GPS or navigation coverage. Keep it simple. Get what you truly need, not what sounds fancy. Here are some smart ways travelers save money while staying fully protected. Bundle your motorhome insurance with your car or home, install a security system or GPS tracker, park in safe and secure places, increase your deductible slightly, join motorhome clubs for insurance discounts, and maintain a no-accident record. Small changes can save hundreds every year. Before choosing any insurance company, ask these 3 questions. Do you cover full-time, part-time, and European travel? How fast is your claims process? Do you repair with original motorhome parts? The answers will tell you everything. A good insurance plan doesn't just protect your motorhome. It protects your freedom, your lifestyle, your memories, and your peace of mind. Now I want to hear from you. Which type of motorhome insurance do you think is the most important? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. Your motorhome carries your adventures. It carries your family. It carries every sunrise, every campfire, every night spent under the stars. Insurance isn't about fear. It's about confidence. The confidence to explore without worry, to go farther, to stay longer, to live the road the way it's meant to be lived. If this video helped you understand motorhome insurance clearly, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more motorhome reviews, guides, and travel inspiration right here on MotorHome Masters. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next journey.